Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energies, we'll be picking cards from this deck, guys. For your love energies, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever card you want to watch, you can skip to the timestamp and watch that reading, guys. So, for your general energies, Libras, these are the cards. So with these cards, guys, some kind of completion is there today in your life. Some sense of completion, happiness and contentment for your situation, how things are unfolding today in your life. You are happy for it. That is what I see here. And you are a person who has a great compassion towards others, dedication in your work, whatever efforts that you are doing, and you do it with that concentration and attention in whatever activity you take up. You have that confidence and cheerfulness in whatever you do, guys, and that is the reason you feel that you can handle any situation very well, and people see to it that look up to you, not see to it, they look up to you for that confidence, for that determination that you have in your heart of hearts. You feel really happy for it. That is what I see here with these cards. And also Libras, the energy here is that maybe for some of you all, you are sharing your success, this confidence, this determination, and the people who look up to you, that happiness you get because of that situation in your work, or it may relate to your personal life. People simply adore you, guys, or this person, they simply adore you for what you are, and you feel that happiness because of that. That is what is the energy with these cards, guys. And maybe you are sharing this happiness with your friends, your family, or someone in your close circle. You are communicating this happiness to them, and you feel extremely happy. That is what I see here with these cards, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, for your daily energies. For your love energies, you can watch the pick a card reading, guys. So whichever deck you want to watch, you can click on the timestamp and you can watch that will follow this reading. Now this is for your love reading, guys. So it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first card, this is the second card, guys. So whichever card you want to watch, I have given the timestamp and you can go to the reading, guys. So we will start with this card, guys. We will be picking 5 cards from this deck for your love energies, guys. So this will resonate to all signs, guys. We will be picking 5 cards. The Sun, King of Wands in reverse, 4 of Wands, 4 of Swords, and the World. So with these cards, guys, for your love energies, you have that great understanding with this person, guys, confidence, that reliability, that trustworthiness is there in this relationship, and you share a great understanding. That is also what I see here with these cards, guys. And you are celebrating something, guys, maybe some initial success in this relationship, maybe you, because of this understanding, or because of the way you feel about each other, that deep bond that you have in this relationship. So you are celebrating something in this relationship, some new beginning with this person, and you have that satisfaction, peace of mind, and successful conclusion about some situation in your relationship. You are happy for it, happy for this relationship, how this is going. that harmony is there, that balance is there in this relationship, guys. Maybe some of y'all, you may be dealing with a Leo, Aries, or Libra, guys. Maybe your person is a Libra, whom you are dealing with, or a Leo or an Aries. That is also what I see here. And maybe you are thinking deeply, you want marriage with this person, or you want deep commitment with this person. So you are thinking what is your next move, how you want to take this relationship forward, go with an engagement or marriage, what is your next step. So you are making some important decisions today. That is also what I see here. And also for some of you, the decisions you make today, you are a person who stands by your decisions, guys. So whatever you are deciding on, that choice that you're making, you make it after a clear thought. So, and you stand by those decisions. Whatever you take, you never give up on the person you want to be with, or what to say, you are a rock kind of person when you it comes to that determination. So whatever you decide on, you stand by it. So you are such a person. So you are thinking deeply whether you want to move forward with that commitment and marriage, because you have that great understanding and love. And maybe for some of you, this person may come with a proposal, guys. That may be the reason for celebration we see with this card. So this person is also accepting your proposal, or you may be proposing and they are accepting, and you're celebrating this relationship. That is what these cards are about, guys, for your love energy. So for those who have chosen this card, let us see what is coming up, guys, for your love energies. These cards will relate to all signs, guys. So for your love situation, what are the cards? Lilies, mice, lady, dog, key. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that in this relationship, guys, this person, they are truly devoted to you, guys. You have that great understanding, love is there, that deep connection, intimacy is there. You share a great attraction for each other, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Maybe this is a karmic relationship. That is the reason you have that deep bonding with this person, affection, love, and you share a great understanding. And even at the first time when you met this person, you would have had that familiarity with this person, guys. Something denoting a deep bond, attraction and understanding. And maybe the reason for this familiarity, maybe this may be a destined connection, guys, a karmic connection. That is the reason you feel so familiar with this person, the way they talk or way they behave, or that understanding you have, that mental wavelength when it connects in a perfect way. So you feel that you are made for each other. That is what I see. Maybe in some situations you may feel that this person is using your efforts, trying to use you in some way, or there may be some things that some kind of misunderstandings or some quarrels or some misunderstandings may be there. But the reason maybe because that may not be something very major, guys. It may be something very small compared to that understanding you both share. And this is a very positive card here, guys. So whatever negatives that you are having in your relationship, maybe some quarrels or some misunderstandings, whatever that is, you may be able to overcome that. You are seeing through it because you have that great love with this person, that understanding with this person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Overall, the energy is that this person has that deep attraction towards you guys and they are devoted to you. Maybe you may have just like every other relationship, minor flaws are there, but that is not something to think of this connection as what to say, a negative one. This is a very positive connection here, guys, with these cards. That is what the energy with these cards, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.